how to make clear slime that looks like ice. Make sure to like and subscribe this video so other kids like you can find this STEM activity. In a measuring cup or small bowl, mix together 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Stir until the powder is dissolved or disappears in the water. In another larger bowl or cup, pour about 1/2 cup of glue. This is about a full bottle of a small glue bottle. Slowly pour in the borax solution and stir at the same time. Stop pouring when the slime isn't sticky anymore. You might not use all of that borax solution. Take the final result out of the bowl and squish with your hands to mix even more. You can store this in a bag for later, but this is a great, not sticky, and awesome slime.